In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Simple Translate to Chrome. By the end, you'll have a quick, reliable way to translate text on any web page without leaving your tab. First, open Google Chrome. With Chrome open, head to the Chrome Web Store page for Simple Translate. If you're already in the web store, just search for Simple Translate and select the extension from the results to open its page. This is the official listing where you can read a short description and see ratings, which is always a good way to confirm you're installing the right tool. On the extensions page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small prompt explaining what the extension can do. This is a standard permissions check. When you're ready, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download the extension and add it to your browser. In just a moment, you'll see a confirmation and an icon for Simple Translate appear near the top right corner of Chrome, next to the address bar. Depending on your current toolbar layout, the icon may be tucked inside the puzzle-shaped extensions menu, but it's installed and ready to go. Now, let's use it. The fastest way to get a translation is to highlight text directly on a web page. As soon as you select the text, an instant translation bubble can appear, showing the translated result on the spot. This is great for quick lookups without disrupting your reading flow. The extension typically detects the language automatically, and you can switch the target language right in the bubble if you need to. If you want to translate something you type, click the Simple Translate icon in the toolbar. A small panel opens where you can type or paste text. Choose your target language and the translation appears immediately. This is perfect for composing short messages or checking a phrase before you send it. You can also right-click on selected text to access translation options from the context menu. Choose the Simple Translate option there, and you'll get a translation in a compact panel. This is especially handy if you prefer to keep the page uncluttered by pop-ups. That's all there is to installing and using Simple Translate. Once it's added to Chrome, it works quietly in the background and is ready whenever you need it. If you like, you can later explore the extension settings to pick your default languages or adjust how the instant bubble behaves. Enjoy quicker reading, faster comprehension, and smoother browsing with Simple Translate in Chrome.